Students, today we can study area of triangle. In this chapter, before I told total 3 formulas we will study. First, distance formula, then section formula. Now we are going to study area of triangle. We just consider one triangle. This is like one triangle. And then this vertex given, that is x1, y1. Second vertex is x2, y2, then x3, y3. We want to find out area of this triangle. We can give name A, B, C. How can find out? We don't know length of AC, length of AB, BC. They are not given anything. They are given only this vertices. Then that time we will use one formula. That formula is area of triangle ABC equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Then in here x1, x2, x3, then y1, y2, y3 are all the coordinates. Then how can study this formula? Look, 1, 2, 3. If you write 1, 2, 3, start from here. 1, 2, 3. x1, y2, y3. And then we start from here. This point, isn't it? Then again start from here, this point. That is x2. Check it. 2, then 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Isn't it? Then last time 3, 1, 2. Start from here. 3, 1, 2. Just rotating. Isn't it? We can study like that. This formula very easily. Then in case they are given 3 points. A, B, C. A means x1, y1, x2, y2, then x3, y3. These 3 points is known as collinear points. Why? Because these 3 points on the line, on the straight line only, isn't it? Then collinear points. Then can you make any triangle using by ABC? We cannot make any triangle, isn't it? That time area of triangle how much? We will get 0. Area of triangle will be 0. When 3 points are collinear means area of triangle will be 0. Then in here area of triangle, we can use this formula. Isn't it? In next exercise we are going to study first area of triangle. Second one is collinear points. For collinear points we will use same formula, but equal to what we will write? Equal to 0 we will write, because that using by that 3 points we cannot make any triangle. Now triangle means area of triangle will be 0. Now we can see exercise 7.3 question number 1. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are Roman number 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, then 2, minus 4. Then coordinate of vertices given in here, isn't it? Then using by this vertices we have to find out area of triangle. Already we have studied one formula, isn't it? Using by that formula we can find out area of triangle. We can write given vertices are 3 vertices given in here, isn't it? That is, we can give one name. A means 2, 3. Second vertex is minus 1, 0. And C, 2 minus 4. We are going to use that formula, isn't it? By using formula, area of triangle ABC, equal to, first write that formula. What is formula? 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3. Start with 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Then plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus here 2, 3, 1 x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. Then in here we can give all the values. 1 by 2 into x1. Already given in here vertices. That means x1 y1. This is x2 y2. This is x3 y3. Isn't it? Then x1 is 2. 2 into y2 minus y3. y2 is 0 minus y3 is minus 4. Plus x2 is minus 1 into y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 4 minus y1, that is 3, plus x3. What is x3? x3 is 2. y1 minus y2. y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. 1 by 2 into 2 into minus, that will be plus 4. 2 into 4. Then minus 1 into minus 4 minus 3. What you will get? Minus 7. Plus 2 into 3. 1 by 2. 2 into 4. 8. Then minus we can write plus 1 into 7. 7. Plus 2 into 3. 6. 1 by 2 into 8 plus 7. 15 plus 6. 21. And 1 into 21 we can write 21 divided by 2. This is our area of given triangle. We can write unit will be square units because of area. Area always square units. That is our answer. Question number 1, Roman number 2. In here also we have to find out area of triangle. They given coordinate of all the vertex. First we can write a given vertices are A, that is minus 5 minus 1, then B 3 minus 5, C 5 2. We can give names A, B, C. Anything you can give, P, Q or anything you can give. I just took A, B, C in here. Then by using formula, area of triangle ABC equal to, what is formula? 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is formula for area of triangle, isn't it? Equal to 1 by 2. What is x1? Is x1 y1. Second point is x2 y2. Then third point is x3 y3. Then x1 is minus 5. Minus 5. Then y2 is again minus 5 minus y3 is 2. Plus x2, what is x2? x2 in here, 3, isn't it? 3. Then y3 minus y1. 2 minus y1 is minus 1. Plus x3 is 5. Then y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is minus 5. 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 5 minus 2 will get minus 7 plus 3 into 2 minus minus 1. That means minus into minus plus you will get, isn't it? 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5 into, in here also minus 1 minus minus plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 you will get 4. 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 7. 35 plus 35 plus 9 plus 20 equal to 1 by 2 into, you can add 35 plus 9, 44, isn't it? Then 44 plus 20, 64. Cut it, 64 and 2. What do you get? In 6, 3 times. In 4, 2 times. You will get 32. 32 units. 32 square units. Square units. Question number 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Already given in here some points, 3 points, that points are collinear, isn't it? Then what is collinear points? That 3 points on a straight line, isn't it? Then we can write given points are collinear. Points are collinear means, therefore, area of triangle equal to how much? That will be 0, because using by collinear points we cannot find out area of triangle, because on straight line we cannot make any triangle. This like 3 points A, B, C. Using these 3 points we cannot make any triangle. Then area of triangle. Already we have studied one formula, isn't it? We can write that formula. 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. 1 by 2, all the values we can give in here. Given points is x1 y1 is x2 y2, next point is x3 y3. x1 is 7, y2 minus y3, y2 is 1 minus y3 is k, plus x2, what is x2? That is 5, y3 minus y1, y3 is k minus y1 is minus 2, plus x3 is 3 into y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is 1 equal to 0. Then remove bracket, 7 into 1, 7 minus 7 into k, 7 k. This 1 by 2 you can bring to right side. Okay. Plus 5 into k, 5k, then minus minus plus, isn't it? Then 5 into 2 plus 10 plus 3 into, what you will get inside the bracket? Minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 will get equal to 0 into this 1 by 2 I brought right side, that will be into 2. Then we can do minus 7k plus 5k. We'll get minus 2k, isn't it? Then 7 plus 10, 7 plus 10, 17. Then minus 3 into 3, 9, equal to 0 into 2, 0. Minus 2k. 17 minus 9, that will be plus 8 equal to 0. Minus 2k equal to plus 8 become minus 8. Then k equal to minus 8 divided by this minus 2. Minus minus cut it, 4. You will get 4. Therefore, value of k equal to 4. We got value of k equal to 4. Now we can see question number 2, Roman number 2. In here, some points given, that 3 points are collinear, isn't it? We have to find out value of k. That is our question. Question number 2. Can write given points are collinear. Therefore, area of triangle equal to 0, isn't it? Area of triangle we can write 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 0. This is the formula for area of triangle. 1 by 2. We can give all the values. In here, this is x1, y1. Second point is x2, y2. Next, x3, y3. x1 is 8. 8. y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 4 minus y3 is minus 5. Plus x2. x2 is k. y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 5. Then minus y1 is 1. x3 is 2. y1 minus y2. y1 is 1 minus y2 is minus 4. This 1 by 2 you can bring to right side. That will be 0 into 2. 1 by 2 become 0 into 2. Then remaining part only we can write in here. 8 into minus 4 minus minus plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 will get 1 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 4, 5. 8 into 1, 8. Then k into minus 6. We can write minus 6k plus 2 into 5, 10. Equal to right side 0 into 2. You will get 0 minus 6k plus 8, 10. 8 plus 10, 18. Equal to 0. Minus 6k equal to, what will you get? This 18 bring to right side, that will be minus 18. 6, sorry. k equal to minus 18 divided by minus 6. Cut it minus minus, you will get 18 and 6. In 18, 6 3 times. We got answer 3. Therefore, value of k equal to 3. Now we can see question number 3. Find the area of the triangle by joining the midpoint of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. First, we can draw one triangle. This is like one triangle. Give name ABC. ABC. First vertex, that is 0, minus 1. Then 2, 1, 0, 0, 3. Vertices given in here. Then we have to find out midpoint of all the sides. Just consider this is midpoint of AB. P is Q, then R. If you join this midpoints, we will get another triangle, that is PQR, isn't it? Then find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. We have to find out area of this small triangle, that is PQR. Then after we will find out area of big triangle ABC. Then we will find out ratio. First, we can find out area of triangle ABC because that coordinates already given in here, isn't it? First, find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to, use that formula, 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equal to 1 by 2 x1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, next point is x3 y3. x1 that is 0, 0 into y2 minus y3, that is 1 minus 3 plus x2 is 2, y3 minus y1, y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus 1 plus x3, x3 is 0, 0 into y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is 1. 1 by 2, 0 into this term, that will be 0, first term will be 0, then remaining 2 into 3 minus minus 1, that is 4, 3 plus 1, then 2 and 2 cut it, will get 4. We got answer. Area of triangle ABC is 4 square units, isn't it? Then, now what we will do? We have to find out area of triangle PQR. PQR, isn't it? But we don't know the coordinate of P and Q and R. First, we will find out this three coordinates P, Q, R. What we will do? By section formula, already they are given P is midpoint of AB, isn't it? Using by section formula, we can find out coordinate of P, same like that, Q and R. We can write 4 point P. For point P, by section formula, midpoint midpoint of AC, sorry, AB, midpoint of AB. We can use x1 plus x2 divided by 2, then y1 plus y2 divided by 2 equal to x1 plus x2, that is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2, y1 is minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. What you will get? 0 plus 2, 2, isn't it? 2 divided by 2, 1. Then minus 1 plus 1, that will be 0, isn't it? 0 divided by 2, 0. That means the coordinate of P we got 1, 0. You can write in that figure also 1, 0. Next, fourth point. Next point is Q. There also we will use section formula. Q means midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC equal to, use same formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In here x1 is 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 divided by 2. Then 1 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2 plus 0, 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 divided by 2, 2. We got second point, that is Q is 1, 2. 1, 2. Then one more point we need, that is R. For point R, use section formula. By section formula, midpoint of, we need R. R means midpoint of AC equal to, use same formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. x1 in here 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2, that is minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2. 0 plus 0, 0 divided by 2, 0 will get. Then minus 1 plus 3, what will get? 2, 2 by 2, 1. You will get the coordinate of R is 0, 1. Now we got all the midpoints. Then area of triangle PQR equal to, use same formula, that area of triangle 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Use this formula directly. You can find out. We need PQR. 1 by 2. That is x1. x1 in here. P, isn't it? That is, you can take x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Then next point x3 y3. Then 1 y2 minus y3. y2 is 2 minus 1 x2 is again 1. y3 minus y1. y3 is in here 1 minus y1 is 0. Plus x3. What is x3? Is 0. Then y1 minus y2. 0 minus y2 is 2. 1 by 2. 1 into 2 minus 1. 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 is 1. Then last term that will be 0. 0 into that remaining terms. 1 by 2 into what will get inside the bracket? 1 into 1, 1, isn't it? Then again 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 and 2 cancel, you will get 1 square unit. Now we got area of triangle ABC, that is 4 square units. Then area of triangle PQR is 1 square units. Then what is our question? We have to find out a ratio, isn't it? Can write. Therefore, a ratio. What is ratio? That means area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle PQR is 1 divided by area of triangle ABC is 4. 1 by 4. This ratio we can write area of triangle PQR is 2. Area of triangle ABC equal to 1 is to 4. That is our required ratio, 1 is to 4.